Your HP printer is connected but still not printing. You're not alone. This happens more often than you think. Everything looks fine, but the printer won't just respond. Don't worry though. In this quick guide, you'll learn a few simple fixes you can try right now to get your printer back to printing in minutes. You can call us directly at the numbers displayed on the screen for seamless assistance. Otherwise, let's get started and fix it together. Before we start this step, we request you to join our YouTube channel and support us. You can be a part of our growing family where millions come together to learn, solve problems, and stay up to date. Method 1. Updating printer driver via Device Manager. Click on the Start menu, type Device Manager, and open it. Once the window opens, find and expand Print Queues section. Now, locate your printer in the list. Right-click on it and select Update Driver. When the update window appears, click on the Search automatically for drivers. Windows will now look for and install the latest driver for your printer. If this method worked for you, please subscribe to our channel. If not, no worries, let's try the next method. Method 2. Resetting printer manually. Make sure your printer is turned on, then unplug the power cord from the back of the printer. Now, remove the power cord from the wall outlet and wait for 60 seconds. After a minute, plug the cord back into the outlet and reconnect it to a printer. The printer will automatically start resetting. If the issue still continues, let's cancel all the pending print jobs. Method 3. Canceling pending print jobs. On your Windows computer, click on the Show Hidden Icons arrow in the bottom right corner of the taskbar. Then, double-click on the printer icon to open the print queue. In the print queue window, select your HP printer from the list. If you see any pending jobs, click on the three-dot menu and choose Cancel All to clear them. If you like our content, give us a like, and if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.